love? You like your new Thomas underwear?
Yeah.
Dad, where were you when we were in?
Probably Korea.
90 Korea.
Yeah. Let me help you.
I should have scanned those.
Those look good, Thomas.
Now we just got to get you potty trained. You like them?
I'll do it in a moment.
Aren't those cool though?
But I need a new diaper.
I like how I'm like.
This is all on video.
Yeah.
Thomas, no diaper. Just put on your underwear.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Thomas, just put on your underwear.
I just need a new diaper first.
Just put on your undies and then you can go pee-pee in the toilet. In there where Noah does. I mean, Chandler.
You want to just put on your underwear, or do you want the diaper?
I hope you don't get sick.
Okay.
That was really soggy.
Who's that, Anna? Anna.
How was that?
I hope you're glad you're on Saudi Arabia. I am.
Anna, Mom.
What happened to your face? Oh, is that just candy? Say love you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Love you.
There goes all your